Okay, a very good morning children. Welcome to online session of subject mathematics of 6th class. Hope you all are very fine and staying healthy in the present situation. So, in the yesterday's class, we have completed the concept part of divisibility rules. So, regarding the 2, 3, 6, 9, 5, 10. Okay. So, with these numbers up to yesterday's class, we have completed the divisibility rules concept. Okay, I think so you have understood how we should identify. So if any number is given, how we have to identify. So in which type of divisibility does this number satisfies. So we have seen up in the yesterday's class. So by seeing the ones place digit, by adding the digits of a number, so like that we have seen. Okay, so mostly, so up to these numbers, what we have checked. Suppose for the number 2, for the number 2, what we have to see. So we have to see that ones place digit like for 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, ones place digit should be either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Next, for the number 3, if a number is divisible by 3, so what it should be? So sum of digits should be whatever the result you will get by doing the addition of digits. So that result should be divisible by 3, in 3 table. Okay, so in the 3 multiplication table, like that you have to say. So for the 6 means it should satisfy both these two conditions. So if a number is satisfying for these two conditions means then it is divisible by 6. Okay, that means 2 and 3. Okay, so like that you are supposed to identify. Okay, so this is the thing about the 6. Next, 9. How you have to identify for 9? So sum of digits. Okay, sum of digits should be equal to should be the multiplication of 9. Okay, so sum of digits should be equal to multiplication of 9. Okay, like that you are supposed to check the for 9. Okay, that means the result should be compulsory only 9. Okay, if any number came also, suppose you get to 27. Okay, so you better do what you have to do means you better confined to the one digit number only. That means if 27 is there means again you add these two things. Okay, so 2 plus 7. What is 2 plus 7? 9. So if your result is 9, then your the whatever the number is there, that will be satisfying for the divisibility rule of 9. Okay, like that 9. Next, 5. So what we have to see the 5 means in the ones place digit. So either 0 or 5 should be there. Okay, in the ones place digit, so that should be either 0 or 5. Then that number is fully satisfied by 5. Okay, divisible by 5. So what you should take for the 10? So for the 10, the ones place digit should be only 0. If a ones place digit is only 0, then that is satisfied by 10. Okay, so like that you are supposed to see. Okay, so this is a method you have seen in the up to previous class. And one more thing, most important thing, in the multiplications everyone is checking for 2 into 1 only. Okay, 2 into 1 is 2. Okay, but before 2 into 1 there is another table also, 2 into 0 is equals to 0. So for every multiplication table, 2 into 0 is equals to 0 also will be there. Okay, so please don't get confused children. So this 2 into 0 is equals to 0 also you are supposed to take in the actual division method. Okay, so that your quotient, whatever the answer you are getting, that will be very easy. That will be perfect match with the result. Okay, so that is the thing. So up to now, like this we have completed. So now today we shall see the exercise part. Okay, I think so you have done the yesterday's homework very easily. Okay, so if any doubts regarding this divisibility rules, you can post in the group so that I can explain in the class. Okay, So now we shall see the exercise part of this divisibility rules. Okay. So exercise 3.1. Okay, exercise 3.1. So first bit. What is the first bit? Which of the following numbers are divisible? Which of the following numbers are divisible by 2, by 3 and by 6 and by 6. Okay, so you are supposed to check the numbers which are divisible by 2, by 3 and by 6. So which type of numbers are divisible by 2 and by 3 by 6, you are supposed to check. Okay, so here this exercise part is given in the page number 31. Okay, in the page number, if you are having textbook, if you open the page number 31, you will be seeing the exercise part. Okay, so not only textbook questions, you can change the questions also. Okay, you can change any question. Okay, like examples. Okay, suppose a question is given like a 128. A question is given like 128 in your textbook. Suppose, for example, so you can convert this. So 281. Okay, next or else 812. Okay, like that also you can convert and you can check for the divisibility rules also. Okay, there is no problem, children. So if you, how much you do, that is a very important, children. So that is a very it will be very much useful to you also. That means it will be given so much practice to you. Okay, more and more practice it will be given to you. Okay, so like that we shall say. So here see the first one. Okay, in this first problem I am saying. So what is the first problem? 3, 2, 1, 7, 2, 9. 3, 2, 1, 7, 2, 9. Okay, solution. How you are supposed to do? So here in the question there are 3 divisibilities. So what is the first one? By 2. Next second one by 3, and the last one is 6 by 6. Okay, you have to verify this number for the 3 divisibility rules. Okay, so first with the help of with the number 2. Okay, so first step, question as this 3, 2, 1, 7, 2, 9. Then next step. So first what is the ones place digit? So by whether this number is divisible by 2 or not, we are seeing. Then afterwards 3, then afterwards 6. Okay, so divisible by 2 means we should identify the ones place digit, whether ones place digit is having either 0 or 2, 4, 6 or 8. Okay, so here first we are seeing for the 2. Okay, so the ones place digit is, what is the ones place digit here, children? So 9 is there. So the ones place digit is 9. Is there 9 in the group of in the set of divisibility rule of 2? No, because what is the divisibility? So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, in these 5 numbers, if any number is there, then that will be divisible by 2. But here 9 is there. So here 9 is not there. 8 is there, but 9 is not there. So therefore 3, 2, 1, 7, 2, 9 is not divisible by 2. Okay, I think so you have understood. So this number is obviously not divisible by 2. So whether is this number divisible by 6? No, because in the 2 divisibility only it is not satisfying. That means it is not satisfied for the 6 also. Is it right, children? So for the 6, what you have to identify? So that number, any number should be divisible by both 2 and 3. So if for one divisibility also it is not satisfying, means it is not divisible by 6. Okay, like that you are supposed to to identify. Okay, so with the help of divisibility rule of 2 completed. Now divisibility rule of 3. Okay, now we have to check divisibility rule for 3. That means here what we have to do now. Next step, after this one, after this step, what you are supposed to write it? So now add the digits of 3 to 1, 7 to 9. Okay, is it right, children? 3 to 1, 7 to 9. Okay, now that implies, so we should add all these digits. So by adding all these digits, we have to see what is the answer we will get. So 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 7 plus 2 plus 9. Okay, first step, 3 plus 2. What is 3 plus 2? 5. 5 plus 1? 6. Let it be 6. Plus, so we have added these 3 numbers. Next step. Okay, instead of like that, we can do very easily, children. Okay, so here what is it? What is this number? 3. Here 7 is it. 7 plus 3, 10. Plus, next step. Here 9 is it. Here 1 is it. 9 plus 1, 10. Okay, next step. Here remaining 2 is remaining, and here 2 is remaining. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 4. So what is 10 plus 10? 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 4, 20 plus 4. So 24. Okay. So now we got an answer as 24. Again you do 24 as 2 plus 4. Again you add digits. So that your final answer should be a single digit number. Your final answer should be as a single digit number. Okay. So that implies what you get? 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. Whether 6 is divisible by 3 or not? Yes. 3 into 2 is 6. Because 3 into 2 is equals to 6. So this whatever the number we have written 3 to 1, 7 to 9 is divisible by 3. Okay. It is divisible by only 3 but not by 2 and by 6. If by 2 it is not divisible by 2 because the ones place digit is 9. So it is not divisible by 2. Obviously it is not divisible by 6. Okay. So if any number want to divisible by 6, so that should be divisible by both 2 and 3. I think so you are understanding. So this is the answer. So 6. Therefore what you have to write? 3 to 1, 7 to 9 is divisible by only 3. Okay, like that you are supposed to write. So by only 3. Okay, that with that our answer is completed. Okay, like this you are supposed to do the problem. Okay, so now next question we shall see. What is the next question we shall see? I am rubbing the question part. Okay. Next, B problem. In this, one more problem I am saying 1790 184. Okay. In your textbook, this is a fourth problem, children. Now I am doing as a second problem. Okay, B problem. Okay. Here for this also you have to check for the divisibility rule of 2, divisibility rule of 3, and divisibility rule of 6. So first question as this 1790184. Okay. Now the ones place digit. The ones place digit is, what is ones place digit here, children? So ones, tens, hundred. So ones place digit is 4. Okay. So therefore, so 4 is lying in the set of divisibility rule of 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So 4 is there. So therefore 1790184 is divisible by 2. Okay, this is divisible by 2. Okay, now we have to check for the divisibility rule of 3. Now add the digits of 1790184. Okay, now we have to add the digits of all these things. So by adding all these digits, what we will get? 1 plus 7 plus 9 plus 0 plus 1 plus 8 plus 4. 1790184. Okay, now we have to add. By adding these digits, what you will get, you have to identify. So first, see children, here 9 is there. Okay, 9 plus 1. What is 9 plus 1? 10. Okay, plus now 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1. What is 7 plus 1? 8. 8 plus 8? 16. Okay, have you understood? 7 plus 1 is 8. 7 plus 1 is 8. So 8 plus 8 is 16. Okay, so first here 9 plus 1 is 10. So these two completed. Next 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 8. Okay, 8 plus 8 is 16. So whatever the marked numbers that are completed. Now what is remaining? 0 is there, 4 is there. So 0 plus 4 is 4 only. So 4. Now so 10 plus 16 plus 4. What is 16 plus 4? 16 plus 4 is 20. Okay. Now 20 plus 10. 20 plus 10 is 30. Is it right, children? I think so you are getting. Okay, now so 30 is a 30. Whether this 30 is divisible by 3 or not? Yes, obviously 3 times 30. So if you want confirmation, you can add 3 plus 0. Again you add these two digits. So that this should be coming only for the one digit number. Okay. So 3 plus 0 is also 3 only. Therefore 1790184 is also divisible by 3. Is it right, children? So this number is divisible by 2 and this is divisible by 3 also. So if a number is divisible by both 2 and 3 means that number is also divisible by 6. Therefore finally what you are supposed to write? 90184 is also divisible by 6. Okay, so like this you are supposed to end the answer. So this is the process of if a number is not divisible by 6, if a number is divisible by 6, like this you are supposed to do the problems. Okay, so if I think so you have understood all these problems. So I think you will be doing like this only. Okay, the first bit you will be doing like this only. Okay, if any doubts, post in the group. Okay, now we shall go on with the second bit. Okay, what is the second bit? We shall see. Okay, second bit we shall see. Determine which of the following are divisible by following numbers are divisible by 5 and by 10. Okay, so by 5 you should check and by 10 you should check. Okay, so this is a question, children. So this is a bit question. Now the first problem. So you are supposed to check whether if any number is divisible by either 5 or divisible by either 10. Okay. So divisible by 5 means the ones place digit should be either 0 or 5. Divisible by 10 means the ones place digit should be only 0. Then only it is divisible by 0 by 10. Okay. The first problem we shall see. Okay. 1, 2, 5, 0. So in your textbook, this is a fourth one. This is your fourth one. So now I am writing it as a first problem. So 1, 2, 5, 0. So first question asked is 1, 2, 5, 0. Now the one that implies the ones place digit is the ones place digit is, what is ones place digit, children? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Ones place digit is 0. Therefore 0 is for divisibility rule of 5 and for divisibility rule of 10 is there. So therefore 1, 2, 5, 0 is divisible by 5 and by 10. Okay. So directly we have written. So directly he given clue here. So only 0 is there. So 0 is for the ones place digit for the 5 and for 10. Okay. So that means here this is in this ones place digit only the two answers are been coming. So that's why I have written directly 1, 2, 5, 0 is divisible by 10 and by 5. Okay. Like this you are supposed to do. Next B problem. What is the B problem? Next we shall see 70985. 70985. Okay. This is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sixth problem in your textbook second bit. Okay. In your textbook second bit, this is your sixth problem. So we shall see solution. First question asked is 70985. Okay. And one more thing. Okay. First we shall see 70985. Okay. So here what is the ones place? The ones place digit. I think so you are understanding. Okay. So the ones place digit. What is the ones place digit here, children? So ones, tens, hundred. So ones place digit is 5. Okay. So ones place digit is 5. That means it is divisible by 5. Is it right, children? So for the number 5, for the multiplication of 5, so it should be either 0 or 5. So here 5 is it. So this is divisible by 5. Okay. So therefore 70985 is divisible by 5. Okay. So this is the conclusion. First conclusion. This is. So next step. Whether it is divisible by 10 or not, we have to say. So what is the ones place digit here, children? 5 is it. But so for the 10, for the multiplication of 10, it should be only 0. So if any other number is there, that will be not divisible by 5. That will be not divisible by 10. Okay. So therefore 70985 is not divisible by 10. Okay. So like this you are supposed to end the final conclusion answer. Okay. So like this. So here in this question only he has asked one more thing. So check whether the numbers that are divisible by 10 are also divisible by 5 and 5 by 2. Okay. So here in the first problem, so this is divisible by 10. Is it right, children? Because ones place digit is 0. So he is asking that whether those numbers are divisible by 2 and by 10. Okay, by 2 and by 5. Okay. Okay, that one he is asking. Okay. So that means you have to verify this number for the divisibility rule of 2 and divisibility rule of 5. What is divisibility rule of 2? So the ones place digit should be either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. That means here 0 also should be there for the divisibility rule of 2. If the ones place digit is 0, then it is also divisible by 2. Okay. like that one. That's why he asked, uh, determine, check whether the numbers that are divisible by 10 are also divisible by 2 and by 5. So what is ones place digit, children? 0. That means, is this divisible by 2 or not? Yes, it is divisible by 2. So here only what you should write, 1250 is also divisible by 2. Is it right, children? So like this you are supposed to do. Okay. So 5, always it is divisible only, because ones place digit should be either 0 or 5. Okay. Already we have written here for the 5 conclusion. Okay. Now we have written for the 2 conclusion. For the divisibility rule of 2 conclusion we have written. So like this, for every problem you have to identify. So whatever the number that is divisible by 10, you have to check for the divisibility rule of 2 also. So obviously, whatever the number which is divisible by 10, that will be divisible by 2 also. Why? Because ones place digit is 0. So if the ones place digit is 0 means that will be divisible by 2 only. Is it right, children? So obviously it will be divisible by 2 only. Okay. So 5. Okay, 5 also it will be divisible. So because in the for the multiplication of 5, what is the divisibility rule? The ones place digit should be either 5 or 0. Okay. So not only 5 or not only 0. So both, in the both digits, whatever the number is there, that will be the correct divisibility rule. Okay. So like, I think so you are understanding very interestingly, very easily. So this is the process of doing the divisibility rule of 2, 3, 6, 5, 10. Okay. So next, now we shall see the third bit, children. So here third bit is there somewhat as a table type is there. So you identify, children. Third bit. Okay. The third bit is fill in the table using divisibility test for 3 and 9. Fill in the table using divisibility test for 3 and 9. Okay. So like this you are supposed to fill this table. Okay. So a table is given. So rows, observe this table very carefully, children. So first number is given. Next, sum of digits in the number. Next, divisible by down 3, 9. Okay, like this it is given. I am drawing very roughly, so draw very carefully, children. So I will also draw straightly, children. So for your understanding, better draw this table in your notebook. Okay, because I will give you homework in this table only. Okay. So number, next sum of digits, next divisible by is one column. 3 and 9 I am separating as 2 columns. Okay. So first one 72 is there. Next 197. Next 4, 6, 8, 9. Next 7, 9, 8, 7, 5. Next 988, 9, 7, 4. Okay. So these are the 5 columns, 5 numbers, children. So here you are supposed to add for each number. So you are supposed to do the sum of all these digits, and whether it is divisible by 3 or by 9, you have to put the tick mark. Okay. So first 72 is there. So in your problem, in your textbook, the last one has been given. Okay. So first we shall see this 72. So 72, you add this 72. So sum of digits in the number. So what is here? So 7 plus 2. What is 7 plus 2? 7 plus 2 is equals to 9. Whether 9 is divisible by 3 or not? Yes, obviously 3 into 3 is 9. So you put, you write here yes. Okay. So if it is divisible by 3, and you write yes. If it is divisible by 9, you write yes. If it is not divisible by 3 or not divisible by 9, you write no. Okay. So next, it is divisible by 9 also. Okay. So yes. Next, third one I am saying. So 4, 6, 8, 9. 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 9. So what is the total of this one? So 4 plus 6, 10. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 9, 19. 10 plus 9 is 19. 19 plus 8. 19 plus 8. 19 plus 8 is 19 plus 9 is 28. So 19 plus 8. Okay. So what is 9? 9 plus 9 is 18. So 17. 7, 1, 2. Okay. 27. 19 plus 8 is 4 plus 6, 10. Okay. 4, 18. Okay. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. Okay. 10 plus 9, 19. 19 plus 8 is 27. 19 plus 8 is 27. Okay. 27 again you add. Okay. 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7 is 9. Whether 9 is divisible by 3? Yes. You write yes. Okay. Divisible by 9? Yes. Because result is 9 only. So whatever the number you are taking, that should be total result as 9. If you are getting the result as 9, so then that will be divisible by 9. So in the division 9 column, you should write yes. Suppose if you got any other answer like 8 or any 7, so then you should write as a no for these two things. Okay. And here this one, okay, we shall see third one. Okay. So 197. Okay. 1 plus 9 plus 7. Okay. What is 1 plus 9 plus 7? So 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 10 plus 7, 17. Okay. You got 17. So again you do 1 plus 7. 1 plus 7 is 8. Is 8 divisible by 3? No. So you write no. Next, see the ninth one. Okay. Is 8 divisible by 9? No. Here also no. Okay. So you do this fourth and fifth one, you only do. Okay. You only add here and you only do that as a homework, children. Okay. So this is your homework, children. So try to do, children. Very easy only, children. So and in the if you are having textbooks, means you can write, you can do the first and second bit, some more examples also. Okay. So the example problems I am giving here, children. So don't rub this one. So this is separate homework. So so I think so you have drawn this homework. You have drawn this homework. Okay. So after this you write up first bit and second bit homeworks. Now I am writing here. First bit. What is the first bit? You have to identify which of the following numbers are divisible by 2, by 3 and by 6. So already I have written question previously. So you copy same question there in the homework. Okay. Some problems I am giving, children. So first one, 9 7 2 1 3 2. Next, B problem. 8 0 0 5 5 2. Next, C 7 2 6 3 5, 2. This is divisible by 2, by 3, by 6. Okay, this one. So write down full question as previously how I have written. Second bit by 5 and by 10. Okay, like this. Next, first one in this 1, 2. Okay, let's show this one. 4, 5, 8, 8, 0. Next B. 1, 2, 5. Next C. 1, 5, 5, 0. Okay. So these are the homework problems, children. These 2 bits here 2 bits and the third bit table. Table also you are supposed to complete. Okay. And I think so you will be doing this homework very easily. So in the next class we shall go on with some more exercise problems. Okay. Thank you for attending my class, children. Have a good day, children. Thank you.